Greetings, yes, I'd like to give thanks to everyone for all of their support. The Medical Mondays has become very popular all over the world. So as a special treat, here is the Medical Monday Top 10. Yes, Greetings, this is BUCHU, a South African herb, BUCHU. Have you ever heard of BUCHU? No? I was in Cape Town in the year 2000 to do a show. I took one of my son. Whilst there, he developed some cold symptom. I didn't have my herb, so I had to get some. I told the promoter, and he said, come, we're going downtown to find someone. We met a herbalist, a real Rasta man. We told him all about the situation. He said, BUCHU, with a little garlic. He said, BUCHU is a herb with a lot of benefit. Sure, cleared it up. Quick. When I returned to the UK, I had to find it. Herbal shop, do you sell BUCHU? She looked at me like she didn't have a clue. Spelled BUCHU. She said, oh, you mean BUCHU? She looked at me like me cuckoo, but me no business, me still say BUCHU. Sure, antibiotic, antibacterial, antifungal, they call it a miracle. Health tonic, internal, external. A lot of vitamins, also the mineral. Pain reliever, anti-inflammatory, used medically century after century. Natural medicine, complementary, down in Azania, they have BUCHU plenty. Yes, Greetings, welcome to Maccabees Medical Monday. Today it's all about this. Medical Monday, dropping some bars here. Okay, let's take a pause here. Ginger, what is it good for? Oh yes, nausea, fresh dried, have it in a powder, have it in a oil, in a juice, in a tea. Ginger is good for travel sickness over the land and the air and the sea. Also for the morning sickness, that's for the woman in a pregnancy. Antioxidant, antibacterial, also anti-inflammatory. With lemon is one combination, helpful for mucus and decongestion, helps with digestion and circulation. Pain reliever, maybe menstruation. Some spices have got a lot of benefit. Scientifically, there are statistics. The truth is, and I keep it simplistic, ginger is more than a biscuit. Gargle, keep your mouth fresh. Chew some, good for your breath. Oh yes, even a ginger compress, got a lot of usefulness. Yes, a Medical Monday. Yes, It's Medical Monday. I think it's time to do a rhyme about thyme. Culinary herb, medically inclined. Thyme has really stood the test of time. Long time it has been on the scene. Should have its own Thyme magazine. Use a lot in Jamaican cuisine. A lot of good recipes they have it in. Watch. Wait a minute, even using ancient Egypt, antibacterial, antiseptic. Thyme has got a lot of health benefit, respiratory, digestive, diuretic, antifungal, antibiotic, make a tea, you can infuse it, make the oil, enough people use it. Time flies, but I realize time's a repellent of insect and flies, got many uses, fresh or dried. Versatility, nature provided, strong, got a lot of potency, take heed. Woman in a pregnancy, check a healthcare provider, do it properly. Everything's not for everybody, you'll find. There's a lot more to time. Food and medicine should be combined. That's the last line, because sadly, I have run out of time. Yes, Greetings, welcome to Maccabees Medical Mondays. So you can't sleep. The middle of the night you're awake. Could be something you've ate. You can't sleep, your sleep pattern can't regulate. What's on your plate? Too much fast food, high fat, well saturated, too much white salt, make your body dehydrate. And all of the additives they add for the taste, aspartame, monosodium, glutamate, and you know that you're eating too much too late. You should only eat a very light snack after 8. Belly abuse, give your stomach a break. It's working overtime for a low pay rate. Wait, all the caffeine, the energy drink. You're so wide awake you can't even blink. Try water, chamomile tea, peppermint, cherry juice, celery juice, help you get 40 wing. Try and find vegan foods with tryptophan in. What a thing. It increases serotonin, and the serotonin helps the melatonin, and the melatonin control the sleeping. Wholesome food with a lot of vitamin. Time to eat healthy. Time to begin. You might see an improvement in how you're sleeping, cause it can be connected to what you're eating. A Medical Monday. Yes, Them say Peter Piper pick up a pickled pepper, but this is not pickled pepper, this is cayenne pepper and it better. You only need a little bit of pepper, not a lot. If you use a lot of pepper, then you could become a cropper. Little bit of pepper just to make it little hotter. And if you do it proper, it can medically matter. Cayenne pepper information, very good for circulation, and it's good for stimulation and reduces inflammation. I know we don't know question that it's helpful for congestion. Also the suggestion that it help with indigestion. An ingredient within that is called capsaicin is used in many pain-killing creams for the skin. I know it's good for pain, seen it time and time again. Personally, seen the cayenne stop a migraine. Even a toothache that can keep you awake. Make the tea, then hold it in your mouth and wait in a warm water with some lemon and lime. Your body knows it's detoxification time. But be careful with the pepper, and I will tell you why. Don't get it on a cut or get it in your eye. If you do, it will sting. You will bawl, aye, aye. Anyhow, sing this song here with I. Them say Peter Piper pick up pickle pepper, but this is not pickle pepper, this is cayenne pepper and it better. A Medical Monday, Maccabee tongue twister. Yes, I am. Greetings, welcome to Maccabee's Medical Monday. Moringa, one of the miracle tree. Moringa, give you enough energy. Moringa powder in a smoothie. Organically, medically, anti-inflammatory. So many nutrients, you won't believe it. Overall health. Moringa increase it. Finds the energy, then release it. Your body says thanks when it receives it. Kiswahili, they call it umlonge. In Jamaica, some say merengue. Over 90 nutrients in there. That deserves a roll on the djembe. Without within, good for the skin. High in antioxidants, no vitamin. Repairing, strengthening, and protecting. What a thing, boost your immune system. The powder, the leaves, the oil and the tea, complementary to your body. Even a little bit goes a long way. Feel the benefits throughout the day. Seeds are edible, first they're bitter. Drink water, become sweet like sugar. Start with one seed, people take heed, they're strong. Might be all that you need. Moringa helps to fight against disease. Healthy eating's one of the keys. Take advantages of the leaves of one of the miracle trees. Greetings, welcome to Maccabee's Medical Monday. Today it's all about vitamin C. Vitamin C. Vitamin C. Sure, good for the colds and flus and boosts your immunity. This vitamin helps absorb the minerals in your body. This vitamin, it's an antioxidant and very healthy. This vitamin in a certain fruit and vegetables plenty. Vitamin C it in a lemon. Vitamin C it in a lime. Vitamin C it in a oranges and peppers and thyme. In a kiwi, in a guava, in a berries, in a kale. Vitamin C it in a fruit and veg without fail. Papaya, amla, mango, moringa, melon, watercress, so much in a nature. So many benefits which part shall I start? Blood circulation, good for the heart. Also good for the skin because it good with the collagen. Very helpful for repairing and it good for healing. It's an essential vitamin and you must get it in. And the best way to get it in, healthy eating. It name vitamin C. And this is Medical Monday with the man Maccabee. Yes, I am. Greetings, welcome to Maccabee's Medical Monday. If you want to be healthy, this is the starter. Drink more water. We are walking water, almost 3/4. Drink more water. Water, without a doubt, is the most important thing you can put in your mouth. Essential, used by your body throughout, and you must replace it when it come out. It come out through the sweat, also the urine, also the breath. If you're dehydrated, your body's upset. Water replenish and nourish, protect, transports nutrients, helps with the energy, flushes waste from out of your kidney. Headache remedy, drink water plenty, make your tank full, not empty. So you say make you pee, so go and have a pee. Everybody have to pee, don't hurt nobody. No fat, no sugar, no calorie. Pay your body water, give it a good salary. Hydrate, lose weight, feel great, lubricate. No constipate, temperature regulate. How many glasses a day? About 8. And if you reach 6 at first, that's great. Filter spring, alkaline, do your thing. Clean water without other things in. Fill your glass to the brim. More water. Drink up your medicine. Yes, I am. Greetings. In a shop walking down the aisle, I saw a small bottle, a small little vial. When I read what it was, I couldn't help but smile. What? CBD oil. Rasta telling about this all the while. CBD oil being proven in some clinical trial. CBD oil from the cannabis plant, that is what it is. Renowned for its medical properties. It's in health shops. They're doing business. Being sold for medicinal purposes. Many uses. What a variety. Pain relief and also anxiety. Headline news with the epilepsy. Inflammation. Some say the acne. Gaining a lot of popularity. Towards it, still a lot of animosity. People wondering about the legality. It's on the high street, that's the reality. In the UK, it's there to see. Cannabidiol, that's CBD. The ones in the shop have to be legally very low in THC. Sure, things are changing globally. Medicine rearranging totally. That tree that you thought was your enemy could turn out to be a remedy. Confused, you need a guide. Go check a healthcare provider. Make the expert be your decider. Just realize the choices are wider. Yes, I am. A Medical Monday. Welcome to Maccabee's Medical Monday. Today it's all about this, the cucumber, or as they call it in Jamaica, CUCUMBA. CUCUMBA. Vitamins, minerals, very high number. Silica, hair and nails get longer. Other vitamins make your bones them stronger. Anti-wrinkle make you look younger. 95% water. Kidney cleanser, great hydrator. Detox, fiber, good regulator. Give your body good things, don't be a traitor. Get the cucumber, cut it in a slice. Put it in a jug of water overnight. You know what you get for a fraction of the price? Energy drink full of electrolyte. Roaring salad is one of the use as a base for your vegetable juice. Another surprise, put a slice on your eyes, take away the dryness, revitalize. Oh yes. One thing I have left, cucumber can also help with bad breath. Wash away the bacteria that cause the odor. Cucumber water instead of soda. A Makka Medical Monday. Cucumber.